Hello everyone, welcome back to Joobilant. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Vtiger Progress Bar Extension works in Vtiger Open Source, how you can update stages with a single click, and how to configure it inside your CRM. Let's first see the Progress Bar feature in action. Now, I'm inside my Vtiger CRM. I'll go to the Opportunities module. Let me open one opportunity record. At the top of the record detail view, you can see the progress bar. This progress bar visually represents the stages of this opportunity. These stages are not random. They are coming directly from the pick list field that we configured. For example, if the selected field is sales stage, all the sales stage values will appear here in sequence. You can clearly see the current stage highlighted, the previously completed stages, and the upcoming stages. This gives a clear visual representation of how far the record has progressed. Now, instead of clicking Edit and changing the stage manually, I can simply click on any stage in the progress bar. For example, I'll click on the next stage. Immediately, the stage gets updated. The record saves automatically, and the progress bar reflects the new status. This means that users can update the stage directly from the detail view with just one click. No need to open edit mode, no need to scroll, no extra steps. This improves productivity and makes stage management much faster. Now, let's see how to configure this. After successfully purchasing and installing the Progress Bar extension, follow these steps. From the menu bar, click on Vtiger Progress Bar Config. This will open the configuration list page. Here you can see all existing configurations. Click on Add New. Now fill the following fields. Select Module. Choose the module where you want to display the progress bar. For example, Opportunities. Select field. Select the pick list field that contains the stage or status values. For example, Sales Stage. Status. Enable the checkbox to activate this configuration. If this is disabled, the progress bar will not be displayed. Once all fields are selected, click Save. Now go back to the selected module. Open any record. You will now see the progress bar displayed at the top of the detail view. The stages are fetched from the configured pick list field, and users can update the stage simply by clicking on any value in the progress bar. That's how you can configure and use the Vtiger Progress Bar extension in Vtiger Open Source. If you found this helpful, stay connected with Joobilant for more Vtiger extensions and CRM productivity enhancements.